Hello everybody, everything's good. My name is Victor. I'm creator of the blockchain market analysis and I have been working in the cryptocurrency market for years, okay? And today I will show you my analysis and also speak what I hope for the next days and weeks, okay? So my mission here is to talk about the facts, the information of what is happening in the market, in the crypto market, and let you make your own conclusions, okay? And in the end, I will tell you my opinion about the Bitcoin price, okay? So if you like this type of video, stay until the end because I will tell you important information about the Bitcoin and the crypto market. Now, enough of the bullshit and let's go to work. So, well guys, I'm going to show our weekly chart. So what is the overview for the weekly analysis? Let's start by specifying some things here. Look, we keep this downtrend line here in yellow, that we are below it, okay? And we also, I also keep this bullish channel, okay, in short term that I put in yellow again, because I am still waiting for the future confirmation for delete this, and we are still in a second week that we broke this channel, okay, and I will wait one more week to delete this channel, okay? Another thing, guys, I want to talk, it is that this week is setting up the third week in red, 1, 2, 3, okay? And what can I say? I say that in a very short term, we are in a downtrend, okay? And one more information, I put here the EMA 20 and EMA 50. The EMA 20 it is at $8.6 thousand dollars and EMA 50 it is at $8.2 thousand dollars. It is also worth remembering that we have our weekly support in blue here that I put in $8.4 thousand dollars. And I put this support here for over 2 months that I have been showing this support for you, okay? So if was a drop in a drop in BTC, a very strong support will be the price range from 8.2 to $8.6 thousand dollars. And I ask you, what does this really represent? Do you know what is that? These price zones represent that here, that at these values, there will be many people who are waiting to buy Bitcoin at these values. As simple as that. So it tends to be a price zone that hardly drops below this price. Understand? I always like to present the information as simple as possible, okay? And guys, last point on the weekly chart. Look, if I put the volume here, it's clear that we can see a downward trend, okay? And again, I ask, what does that mean? It means that the people are buying, the people that are buying and selling less compared to they did before, okay? And the trend is that these people will once again operate, causing the volume of negotiation to increase. So, do this logic, we can have an increase in volume in the next weeks, causing the price to come out of this lateralization and take a direction, okay? And just to let you know, I didn't think that was relevant to define this week in a candle pattern. This one has no definition, okay? And guys, if you have any question or want to add something else here in this analysis, put it in the comments, guys. Now let's go on the daily chart. So guys, on the daily chart, look at that. It is important to analyze this period of lateralization. The price is varying within this gray rectangle. Do you know how long? Look at that. The answer was 60 days. Okay, that is 2 months of lateralization in which the price had practically no big movement. One thing that it is interesting to say is that, guys, get used to period of lateralization. This is quite common at this market, and some data shows that the price is practically 90% of the time lateralization, okay? So get used to it. In other assets, it's also normal. And another thing, I know people who operate a lot in the lateralization, and it is possible to make money in that period. Another relevant point, it is that if we look historically at the Bitcoin price, look at that. Look at what happened in the period of December 2018 to April 2019. Okay, the price, look, the price was lateralized as for an incredible 120 days. That is twice as long as we are lateralizing today. And in that period, the price was varying only $1,000 different. Look at that, from the $3.2 thousand to $4.2 thousand, and that happened in a short time ago. Do you agree? Now, guys, a personal opinion is that due to the information that I'm watching in the market, the PMI of other countries, which is an indicator that shows the temperature of the world economies, is indicating that the economy is not being affected so seriously. The production index and the GDP growth estimates for both the United States and the main world economies are positive. In addition, there is a large economy operation providing incentives and printing money for all economies to be healthy during this period. That's why I stay optimistic for the Bitcoin market, and I do believe in a bull run this year. Okay. On the other side, we can have a drop to the $8.2 thousand. For sure, we can still reach lower levels, hitting the weekly support of $6.8 thousand. But I still believe in a price recovery for this year, unless there is a big drop, a stock market crash, or a political crisis in the United States due to the election in November, or something like that, or a big wave of COVID causing more economy insecurity that we can see the game change. But if that doesn't happen, and I don't think it will, then we can continue to the gradual bull run for this year, this and the next year. Okay. And lastly, just one more detail. There is a research made of the last years of Bitcoin, and historically the most of July, which is the month that we are going to start now, it has always been a falling month, a red month. So for those operating in BTC market, stay warning, the month of July has a great chance for continuing this fall that we are seeing here. Okay, this fall here that we are seeing now. right? Now guys, it is my turn to ask you, did this analysis make sense for you? Did you like this analysis, the way I approach the topic? And for those operating the Bitcoin market, are you optimistic for the year 2020 in the price of Bitcoin? Because I am, as you could see, right? Please answer in the comments what I asked. I will definitely read all the comments, and I'm very interested to know how you are analyzing the market in this period that we are going through. And again, thanks for the support. Enjoy this video, like this, comment, and share with your friends in Telegram, Facebook. Can I expect your help? So that's it. A hug for you, good trades, a wonderful week for everybody, and remember, let's make money from the market. See you, bye bye.